Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about smart TV, and in today's video I will show you on how to see all apps that you have in your smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings on your smart TV. On getting to settings, click on OK. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to system right here. Click on system. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead, continue to scroll down until you get to storage right here. Click on storage, then you are here. Go ahead and click on internal share storage. Click on that, then you are here. As at the time of making this video, all apps here is 1.6 gig. Click on apps, then you have them right here. Go ahead and click on see all apps. Then here you go. You have all apps right here in your smart TV. So here you can review and uninstall as many as possible apps that you do no longer want right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see everything about all apps that you have on your smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.